For a preparation of a new project that will be possible to program from the level of TruTopsBoost or TruTops next type of non-Trumpf machine, it will be this time Mitsubishi laser machine or laser machines. We prepared first the conversion procedure from an NC file prepared for Mitsubishi to the LST file which is needed for the Trumpf machine. It is helpful because we can check how is the syntax of the orders in the NC file for the Mitsubishi machine, and we can then easily interpret the meaning of the particular G codes. And every time we start with such development, that first we learn how to program, how the machine is programmed by the original software. Then we prepared a conversion application where for the source machine, in this time it's a Mitsubishi 3015, we drag and drop the NC file. The system recognized from the NC file contents, which we are able to show us here in the preview window, what are the properties of this file. And after pressing the convert procedure, we will get for our Trumpf machine a final program which we can show with the preview button. And first we see the contents of the program. It's the converted program for already the Trumpf machine, and with zooming, for example, we can find that here in this program there were not only cutting, here was something like engraving, and the system shows us how long was the distance with the cutting, how many piercings, how long was the engraving in the program, and how long it should move the machine through between the parts and the contours in the program. The program itself, the contents of the NC file, we can control. In the last tab there are the orders for the Trumpf machine. It means we were able to change the Mitsubishi prepared program to an LST prepared for the Trumpf machine. It's the start for our project where our task is exactly the opposite direction. It means we would like to program a Trumpf machine, and after that we would like to program the Mitsubishi machine. But after this preparation, the information about this will be the contents or the topic of the next movie, which will be published after we successfully set up the program for the Mitsubishi from the TruTops and TruTopsBoost software. Thank you for your attention.